Stuffed peppers with rice and mozzarella. Stuffed peppers filled with sun-dried tomatoes, pitted green, roasted or black olives, mozzarella, rice and baked to perfection. This recipe proves that you can have a delicious and nutritious dish without giving up flavor. Ingredients for 6 people. 6 peppers, both yellow and red. 300 grams rice. 15 sun-dried tomatoes. 100 grams ham. 100 grams pitted green, roasted or black olives, as you prefer. 1 vegetable stock cube. Dried mint. Salt and pepper, as needed. Preparation. In a large pan, bring to boil 3 liters of water with the stock cube. Put the rice in, and cook for the time indicated on the box. Drain when cooked. Meanwhile, with a small knife, wash the peppers, cut their tops off and reserve, then scoop out the seeds. Prepare the filling, slice the sun-dried tomatoes, cube the mozzarella and cut the ham into smaller pieces. Stir everything together with the minced olives, mint and season well. Then, mix this with the drained rice. Spoon the rice mixture into the peppers. Place the peppers in a tin, top with the reserved lids and bake for 30 minutes at 190 degrees static or 180 degrees fan oven. Remove and serve immediately or at room temperature, sprinkled, if you like, with chopped basil and parsley. Stuffed peppers make delicious and healthy starters or light snacks. Don't miss it. Enjoy the stringy mozzarella and Buon Appetito!